209729 of 25, which is for seeking directions.
Very well.
If
Yes.
Milords will have my written submissions,
Yes.
it's a 3-page. Milords, I fully base my arguments earlier by learned senior counsels, especially Mr. Colin Gonsalves. Milords, Mr. Mohit Chauhan is himself a dog feeder, Milords, and on behalf of dog feeders,
Yes.
because dog feeders are the worst lot, Milords, here. If Milords will allow me to read it, Milords.
No, you don't have to read. You want to make any submission, you make it orally.
Yes.
Otherwise, notes, of course, we will read.
Yes, Milords,
We don't want somebody to read, 4-page note unnecessarily.
Milords, my submission is
Yes.
that, Milords, I am only suggesting some modification addition if it, Milords,
Yes.
Milords will give me that liberty, to the extent that it is fully in consonance with mandate of the animal birth control rules. The spirit and essence of ABC rules is compassionate management of dogs and recognition of NGOs, individual feeders, as caregivers of stray dogs. The rules recognize stray dogs as community animals. Further, it also recognizes animal welfare organizations, feeders, and caregivers under Section 2J, 2F, and 20 of the rules,
Yes.
Milords. Now, even my lords, in another civil appeal at number 5988 of 2019, Animal Welfare Board of India versus People for Elimination of Stray Troubles, Milords had held that these rules are putting in place mechanism for preventing the infliction of unnecessary pains and sufferings on animals, more specifically the canines. Milords, therefore, and also, Milords, because I will not be repeating other, Milords, there are several judgments of Milords, Delhi High Court and other high courts also. Milords, I have mentioned it. Even in foreign jurisdiction, Milords, the caregivers, dog feeders are recognized as someone who acts hand in hand with the municipal authorities. Now, in this background, if Milords will permit me, Milords, in my limited knowledge, I'm asking Milords if Milords will turn to page 4, that there is a suggestion that if Milords may add this or modify Milords para E in 711, may I read that? Provided that an animal welfare organization, NGO, individual feeder may apply to the municipal authority concerned to take responsibility of the dogs in such institutional area, on such application being made within 8 weeks of this order, such animal welfare organization, individual feeder, NGO shall be appointed as the responsible person for the community animal in such institution. The feeding and other care shall be regulated as per Section 20 of the ABC rule. Section 20 says that animals will be in the apartment. The association will take care, or there will be a dog feeder appointed. So the municipal authority shall reimburse the expenses of feeding, sterilization, or immunization on a regular basis as per Section 10(2) of the ABC rule. Now, there is also that. So I just want a recognition for the individual feeders and give it to us, Milords.
Very.
And make us person responsible.
If this responsibility will also extend to damages in cases of dog bites, tortious damages,
Milords,
for deaths.
Milords, may I submit in this
Yes,
regard?
yes.
Milords have in their earlier order also given liberty that these NGOs or feeders are also at liberty to adopt these dogs. Milords, we don't have wherewithal to adopt all dogs, but there is short of adoption, which I am suggesting, Milords.
Right. Thank you.
That if there is a reimbursement, we will be responsible.
Yes. What do you...
Obliged.
Lordship, I have just one humble. That is to include.
No, first tell us your good name. Then